Okay, so let's do another salsa step. We're going to do a really simple little step here called swinging cucarachas or swinging combos, some people call them, and it goes like this. The gentleman starts off as usual with his left foot. I'll turn my back at you as usual so you can learn it from your angle. And you swing away with the left foot for 1. You replace onto the right foot for 2, and you put back in for 3. Then you swing away to the right with the right foot for 5, replace back onto the left foot for 6, and close it for 7. That's it. You just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The swinging cucarachas. Then we do those steps for the lady. So you start off with your feet close together, and you swing away with the right foot 1, replace onto the left foot 2, 3, and then onto the left foot for 5, right foot 6, left foot 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So there's the swinging cucarachas for the gentleman and lady. Can I do those for the gentleman again? I'll do them from the side on, so you can see the shape of them this way. So you swing away from the lady. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The lady then would swing away, as we said, with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can see each time I'm leaving one hand close to my partner as the other hand swings away. Again, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you'll always be holding one of your partner's hands in this step. So that's the swinging cucaracha. We can attach that onto the other steps we learned. We'll do that now in a moment.